Android phone might be about to get a major attention-grabbing upgrade, and D&D can't stop it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. There's a feature hidden in the latest code for the Google phone app, and it's called Expressive Calling, and it could change the way your calls get noticed even when someone's in Do Not Disturb mode. For years, Android users have faced the same frustrating dilemma of a ringing call if that's important, or just another spam bot repeatedly calling. It isn't ideal, and missing a genuine emergency can be nerve-wracking. And for that, Expressive Calling is here. The code hints that callers could now tag their call with a reason, like it's urgent, news to share, or quick question. The most interesting thing is the urgent tag might bypass Do Not Disturb, but only for people in your contacts. Unknown numbers won't be able to crash the party. The feature appears to rely on RCS and SMS permissions, so both caller and receiver may need compatible apps or settings for it to work fully. And on the receiving end, Android could alert you with a missed and urgent call notification, making sure important calls don't slip through unnoticed. It's still early days. Google hasn't officially announced Expressive Calling, and the feature could evolve or even get scrapped before launch. But all signs point to a Pixel first debut, with other Android devices possibly following later. If it works as intended, this could finally put an end to the anxiety of wondering whether the buzzing phone is skippable or truly urgent. Will this feature help you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.